Hey, Jason K here. I am in the Westerly subdivision in Erie, Colorado. Behind me is the Nazchez model of the SLC home. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,600 square foot home in roughly the $1 million mark. So let's go take a look. And of course, being Colorado and the afternoon and the summer means the sun's out and it's drizzling. But don't worry, it'll be gone before we get out. Let's go inside, check this. Before technical errors. Yeah, blooper reel. See, blue sky and raining. Nice home. So let's head in. Like all the other homes in Westerly, seems to be a requirement, there is a covered front porch. Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice. All right, requisite glory shot. Hi. Again, open kitchen, decent size, flows right into the living space, family room. A turfed yard in the back, nice sized. Patio, not covered. We'll be heading upstairs in a moment. My wife had an office like this. These are so productive. I love these spaces. Coat closet. And of course, if you've seen one video, you know my favorite room in the house. Relatively decent sized 2-car garage. All right, let's check out the pantry here real fast, and then we'll head upstairs, shall we? Yep, pantry, exciting. All right now, are we gonna guess which way the primary bedroom is first? Yeah, I think we actually have a hint on this one. Nicely decorated. Decent size primary. I like the cathedral ceilings again. Nice funky light fixture. His and her sinks, so important getting ready in the morning. Private wash closet, shower, and master closet. It's actually really a lot of places to hang your clothes and store them. Nicely done. Might not be the largest we've seen, but I'd say you can store the most in here. All right. Like the detail work behind the bedroom in that primary. Nice little play area, loft. Decent sized storage closet. Laundry room. If this is the first video you've turned into, usually in new construction you don't get a refrigerator or laundry room or a lightsaber. Decent sized closet. Just for ha-has, you can see across the street the high school for Erie. And in Westerly, they're actually planning future home of the middle school. So walking distance to schools. Yay. His and her sinks. Huge mirror, so I get a big wave this time. Tub in with the wash closet and a little shower. And we well, sort of Jack and Jill, into one of the bedrooms. Surprisingly big closet. So everyone always seems to like light, and this home isn't overly lit, but is very bright. So let's go check out what they did in this basement, shall we? Ta-da! Actually, it may actually be unfinished. Yeah, this is unfinished. So it is waiting for your dreams. All the rough-ins are in place. So thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the Nazchez model home. And don't forget to live your best life. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. So you can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what the process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. And while you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help save you anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save thousands and thousands of dollars. You want to know more? Book a time on my calendar with the link below, or give me a call, or shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. Don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And always, live your best life.